Hey yo.
Say pimps and players, what it do? My name is Kesey and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make Chipotle's guacamole recipe, my way. So let's get into it. So first thing first, you wanna, cut that avocado. And you see the first one was really green, that one was a little brown. That lets you know if it's like ready or like overripe. These two were good though. So I'm gonna just take my knife, split that thing down the middle, and you have a good avocado when it's like really soft, so it's easy to cut. Like y'all see how I'm just cutting through it so smooth. Then you're gonna split that thing open, and then boom, take your knife, twist, and see I cut a little bit too deep, so it broke in half. And you just gonna do the same thing with the rest of your avocados. This one was a good one actually, so twist and boom. Now you're ready to split that thing up, so just cut them into like little sections so it's easy to just scoop just like that, and just do this with all of your avocado slices. So next you're gonna cut up your red onion, and the Chipotle recipe actually says cut up 1/4 of a cup of the red onion, but I just be doing what I feel, so I don't really be measuring. But y'all gonna see how much I cut up. Just watch.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure.
So next the recipe say add 1/2 of a jalapeno, and me personally, that don't make sense to me. Now I will take all the seeds out because I don't want it to be too hot, but I'm gonna use the whole jalapeno. Like I'm not just gonna cut half and use the half. But yeah, the whole jalapeno. So y'all, I do not like raw onions. And I really don't know whether it caused to saute the onions. It just said, 1/4 cup of red onions. But me personally, I'm gonna saute them things. So I just use some butter and some Slappy Mama seasoning, and I saute them things down. So y'all, I did not record the next parts. My phone died and I didn't even notice. I was so freaking mad. But the recipe said 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 1/2 of a lime, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then salt and black pepper. I didn't measure these things, but y'all know how that go. And I added another avocado because it was a little too lemony. But now it was time for the taste test, and it was actually really freaking good. Like, my guac is better than Chipotle, so I'm never wasting my money there again. You're welcome.
I bet you wish that I was still right there. Used to live right there.